Think your kitchen blender is fast? It's a turtle.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
A fidget spinner, basically standing still. Imagine a star twice as heavy as our sun, squeezed into the size of a small city, spinning 716 times in a single second. Welcome to the terrifying world of PSR J1748-2446 AD. This isn't science fiction, it's a pulsar. Specifically, the fastest one ever found, tucked away in the Terzan 5-star cluster. It started as a massive star that ran out of fuel and collapsed. Thanks to the conservation of angular momentum, shout out to the laws of physics, all that rotation got packed into a tiny space. According to research published in the journal Science by Dr. Jason Hessels, this star is only about 20 kilometers wide. To understand how weird this is, imagine taking the entire Earth and crushing it until it fits into a marble. That's the density we're talking about. A single teaspoon of this star's material would weigh about 1 billion tons. Because it's so dense, it can spin at 716 Hz without flying apart. If Earth spun that fast, we'd be launched into space before you could finish the sentence. At the equator, this star is moving at 24% the speed of light. That's over 70,000 kilometers per second. At these speeds, weird things happen. Time actually slows down near the surface, and the star's shape isn't even a perfect sphere anymore. It's slightly flattened, like a squashed orange, because of the sheer centrifugal force. These stars are often called cosmic lighthouses. They emit beams of radiation from their poles. Because they spin, we see them as pulses, hence the name Pulsar. Scientists use these ultra-precise rotations to test the limits of physics, and even search for gravitational waves. It's the most extreme laboratory in the universe, and it's spinning right now in the dark. If you could stand on a star that spins this fast without being instantly vaporized, what's the first thing you'd try to do? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic deep dives.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.